This is a story about an ordinary guy from western Pennsylvania who had a quick visit to heaven. In that visit, he was instructed by angels to go back and inform as many people as possible about his experience in heaven. He was told to convey what the Heavenly Father expects from all of us here on earth. The author, Timothy Peake, is that guy. His story involves visiting angels in heaven and receiving several visits from angels on earth. He wants this book to help anyone with questions about life after death, or what happens to our loved ones and our infants after they die. We are all being watched by angels every second of every minute of every day, and they truly understand our pain while we're here. To Heaven and Back with Angels.